Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about VERALTO CORP quarterly report. VERALTO Corporation offers a diverse range of businesses and services worldwide through two segments: water quality, WQ, and product quality and innovation, PQI. The company's list of businesses and services includes precision instrumentation for water measurement and analysis, water treatment technologies, chemical reagents, digital solutions, marking and coding for packaged goods, software solution for digital asset management, marketing resource management, and product information management, inline printing solutions for products and packaging design software, and imaging systems for new packaging designs, color management solutions for printed packages and consumer and industrial products, color standard services for the design industry. These businesses and services cater to various industries such as municipal utilities, food and beverage, pharmaceutical, and industrials. The stability of VERALTO Corp's stock price over the past year can be attributed to a combination of factors. The company has consistently met or exceeded analyst expectations with strong earnings performance, including an 11.2% year-over-year increase in adjusted EPS and a 6.9% rise in revenue. Positive analyst ratings and moderate price targets have also contributed to a stable investment outlook. Additionally, regular dividend payments provide a steady return to investors, while the lack of major negative catalysts has prevented significant declines. Overall, VERALTO Corp's stock price has remained relatively stable due to its predictable growth and alignment with industry performance. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline can be summarized as follows. Revenue growth is primarily driven by sales, high-growth markets, recurring revenue, and expansion into new markets. Specifically, the water quality segment and product quality and innovation segment have experienced 7% growth each. Additionally, core sales growth in North America has reached 6.9%, while increased sales in developed markets have seen a 7.8% YoY increase. On the other hand, revenue decline is primarily attributed to decline in customer demand, changes to global trade policies, and restrictions on imports. Specifically, North America and Western Europe have experienced declines of -16% and -46% respectively. Net income and profit margins. A shift in performance. The financial performance of a company has shown a positive trend over the past 9 months. Net income has experienced a significant increase, rising by 9-13% for both the 3-month and 9-month periods. This growth can be attributed to price increases that have positively impacted sales, contributing to higher net income. Profit margins have also undergone changes, albeit at a slower pace. The gross profit margin remained unchanged at 60%, while the operating profit margin saw a slight increase from 24.2% to 25.5% for the 9-month period. This marginal growth can be attributed to both price increases and higher core sales. The overall performance suggests that the company's financials are on an upward trajectory, driven by strategic decisions such as price hikes and targeted acquisitions. As a result, net income has seen substantial growth, while profit margins have shown a slight increase, indicating a more efficient operation. The company is indeed generating positive operating cash flow. This is evident from the significant increase in net cash provided by operating activities, which rose by $176 million, or 30%, during the 9-month period ended October 3, 2025, compared to the same period in 2024. This upward trend indicates a strong financial performance and ability to generate sufficient cash from its core operations. The company's debt level has increased significantly over the past year. The current portion of long-term debt has risen from $0 in 2024 to $700 in 2025. While long-term debt has also increased by $73 million. However, interest expenses have decreased slightly, with a reduction of $6 million in the 3-month period and $9 million in the 9-month period. This indicates that despite the increase in debt, the company is paying less in interest expenses, suggesting some cost savings from its borrowing activities. Management is optimistic about the company's outlook, citing positive secular growth drivers in key segments. They attribute this growth to their legacy of innovation, close customer relationships, and culture of continuous improvement. To sustain long-term growth and profitability, management plans to focus on developing innovative products, expanding sales force, reducing costs, and addressing regulatory demands through strategic partnerships and acquisitions. Key areas of emphasis include investing in digital workflow solutions, expanding into high-growth markets such as North America and Western Europe, identifying opportunities for cost reduction and operational efficiency overall. Management strategy is centered on innovation, customer centricity, and strategic growth initiatives to drive long-term profitability. The company has made several key transactions in recent years. On the acquisition side, the company has expanded its portfolio through strategic relationships and investments. Notably, it acquired businesses prior to their first anniversary of ownership. On the divestiture side, the company has separated from Danaher Corporation on September 30, 2023. This separation involved the distribution of VERALTO common stock held by Danaher as of September 13, 2023. Additionally, the company has reported sales and operating profit attributable to divested product lines that are not considered discontinued operations. The company's financial summary reveals that it has engaged in two key shareholder return initiatives. Firstly, the company has a history of paying dividends to its shareholders, as evident from references on pages 10 and 41. Secondly, the company has also implemented share buybacks, with supporting information found on pages 9 and 42. That concludes the financial summary for VERALTO CORP. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.